Greetings! This video today is sponsored by Lane Bryant Bra Wire and Red Bull Energy Drinks, who I'd like to thank my significant other for both having Lane Bryant bras and consuming Red Bull Energy Drinks. What you see before you are Padlock shims made out of Red Bull Energy Drinks. What we have here is the curved variety and the triangular M fold, and just an ordinary shim before it is cut. Now I'd like to start out by saying I didn't pay for any of these. They were given to me. I don't have a special container for them. I simply used a Pringles can. I have plenty of extras here. No bat cave to put them in. And I'd like to talk about the construction process of these shims. Now, first off, your work surface. Now, my work surface is a paper bag from Wendy's. They're pretty easy to come by. And you will need a work surface if you're going to make padlock shims from aluminum cans, because you're going to get a whole lot of this everywhere, even down to the tiny particles. And you don't want that on your work surface if you also sit or sleep there. You're also going to need these. Just ordinary wet wipes. These are from Walmart. You can buy them in Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or any place where they actually sell these products. The process is not hard to make. You are, in fact, simply taking this and cutting a triangle on each side to make an M, or a curve, which you can do and change after you've done a triangle. It's not hard. It just takes a little patience. And for the best results, if you want, well, if you're drinking Red Bull, you can get 8 shims of this size, and is about an inch tall, about an inch and a half wide. You get this by, of course, cutting off the top and the bottom, disposing of those, and you simply trim the edge with a pair of scissors. This is not a fancy pair of scissors I have for myself. Now, naturally, poke a hole to cut the can naturally, and dispose of the trash, because trust me, you don't want these little tiny metal pieces on your work surface or bed or chair or wherever you're working on. Now, the bra wires you've seen before. You've seen these. These came from a different bra. The thickness, and I don't have a micrometer, is standard to what is made for bottom of the keyway tensioners. The same here. Naturally, these don't have plastic ends you can just pull off. you have a glue or paint on there like bobby pins. You can just cut that off with a knife, pair of scissors, or cut through it. That's your choice. And again, these are not hard to make. In fact, you can make 16 shims in about 20 minutes, depending on how diligent you are at your craft. They're not hard, but they're also not meant to last very long. This shim, it might be good for 1 or 2 tries on a combination or other padlock. They're not meant to be forever. That's also why you make more. And you can also find aluminum cans anywhere. You buy a soda, buy a case of soda or whatever, and there you go. You just take the time to cut them out, make it, store them, use them when you need to. Now, I hope this has been informative, and this is one of the more messier parts that most videos don't tell you about. Because, yeah, your work surface, you want a clean work surface. You don't want to do this on, just a regular bed sheet. You really want to do it at a table, but you also want to have, something like a bag over the top of it. Because, hey, not everyone's going to have a workshop. Your workshop might be your kitchen table, your dining room table, your desk. But hey, this should all be common sense. At least I hope so for the lock sport community or those who wish to bypass padlocks. So again, thank you. Hope you liked the video.